Hello, I'm Kerwin Alexander from Lifesezgo. Welcome back to the second video of my Japan 2018 series. In this video, Taka and I leave Tokyo and head down to Osaka. I wonder if there's any differences between Tokyo and Osaka. Let's find out.
Hello everyone. Guess what today is? This is day 2 of my trip to Japan. So, follow me and we'll see what today holds. Hey everyone, I got something I want to share with you. Oh my god, something unexpected, so here it goes. Last night I went to one of the vendors out on the street to get something to eat, and oh my god, I can't remember if it was that or at the restaurant we ate at. Anyway, I got sick, and I went to my bag to see what was in there for stomach, and the only thing I could find out was these. So this is by a friend of mine, Dr. Dustin James. He's a gastroenterologist. He recommended these. He gave me these some time ago when I went on another trip. I left them in the bag. Luckily for me, they were there. They're called tummy drops. I'll leave a link in the description below. So check it out. Get some, put them in your bag, take with you. You'll do okay. All right? Thanks.
We are at breakfast in the hotel, brunch style. Just bringing us to our table. Now it's time to eat. I'm starving. Buffet style. I've been told that this Sunday breakfast buffet is very popular in Tokyo. People come from all over to dine here. After my first go-round, I was a little afraid to get second. As you know me, I love to eat, and I didn't want to appear rude or impolite in this foofy restaurant. I'm not up on all the proper etiquette here in Japan, but Taka assured me it was totally okay. Maybe I should do a video on etiquette in Japan. What do you think? Click the link above and let me know what you think. Now, with this newfound knowledge, I went back for more. After breakfast, it's back to room, check out, and head to Osaka. Okay, we're leaving the hotel now, heading down to the train, to the big train, the bullet train, so we could go to Osaka. So now it's official. We're leaving the hotel and headed towards Tokyo Station to get on a bullet train to go home. So I figure at this point, no one wants to see inside a train for 3 hours. So I decided to give you some trivia information on Tokyo and Osaka. First up, Tokyo. Tokyo is the capital of Japan. There are 35 million people living in Tokyo, making it the largest metro area in the world. Tokyo Disney is the first Disney created outside the US. It employs over 20,000 people. Mount Fuji is visible on average 180 days a year due to clouds and Tokyo air dust concentration. The Shibuya crossing has many as 2,500 pedestrians crossing the intersection every time the signal changes. And the Tokyo Skytree is the tallest freestanding tower in the world, measuring 634 meters. Now for Osaka. Osaka is located 330 miles southwest of Tokyo, so it's known as Japan's second largest city. It has a population of 10.5 million people. Osaka has 2 airports. One is surrounded by water. The main tourist sites include a concrete castle, an ultra-modern aquarium with a shark tank, and the first Universal Studios to open up outside the United States. Osaka has a reputation for having the best food in Japan. So there you have it, trivia on Tokyo and Osaka. Now, the final leg of today, getting to Osaka. Okay, we're here in Osaka, getting off the bullet train now. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. If you're interested in seeing other videos by me on my travels and escapades, please click the subscribe button and then the bell button next to it, so that you'll know instantly when I upload a new video. Also, you'll be learning some Japanese. Thanks for watching, and before you go, check out the links I put below to assist you in navigating around Japan. If you ever have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. I'll reply to them as soon as I can. Well, until next time, go out and do something fun. You know why? Life says go!